It got pretty wintry here in Hannover. It's pretty cold, and we're at the place where they store the old pieces. And they build new pieces here. Our stage is going to be built here, so don't mind the unicorn, going to work. We're underneath the theater, like in the basement. We're checking on projections with Florian. And done. First test went pretty well. Well, let's just say the glass works pretty well. We're back to mapping 3D in Qlux, and this time on a stage in Germany. The mapping process here in the Opera House is I shout my mapping cues to the operator and he maps.
Okay, gut, oben rechts. Rein. Weiter, gut, runter. Gut. Weiter, gut. Abwärts. Gut. Weiter, gut. Ein bisschen hoch. Gut. 2 runter. Gut. Gut so. Okay.
And that's how it's done. Technically, all those shots and illusions that we're creating are serving the same purpose as good B-roll. They have to support the story, not tell the story, because the story is actually told by the actors on stage. You realize how this vlog doesn't have any useful B-roll in it, which proves the point that the shoemaker's son always goes barefoot. That's the problem when you're out to shoot for your actual job and you forget about vlogging. Today we are out with the old Sony Action Cam to get some footage at the lakes. There are very few things that are more awkward than vlogging in public and talking into a camera. One of them is to film footage for projections when Snow White is running through the woods and you want to have it some liquid feel to it.
It's a lot colder than it looks.
Things get a lot more interesting when there is animals involved. Maybe I can persuade them to participate in the opera. No. Today's task is about finding out how to peel off the skin of a dancer's face without actually hurting them, and then put this into a projection. Should be easy. And for the purpose of that, I'm gonna meet a professional, Maria, who is a makeup designer at the Opera House. So let's see what she has to offer. They gave me a lot of stuff. I mean, I don't know. The dancer is female, so to do the test I have to shave my hands.
Oh God.
Why? If you're doing a shot with an actor and a lot of helping staff, you want to be sure that what you're trying is really going to work. Otherwise, you're gonna waste everybody's time. Even if you're wasting time, never waste other people's time. Waste your own time first. It's not so much how people don't react to what you do and let you do what you do. It's how little they actually care that worries me. You are guessing absolutely right. I'm doing a green screen on human skin, and I'm gonna peel something off. Sometimes the jobs for theatres are really hard to explain, especially when you run around like this and your guests look like this. We're preparing projections for Schneewittchen, premiering the 6th of October. See you at the Staatsoper Hannover. I feel stupid.